Oh man, what is up, Facebook, YouTube? Whew. Another day on the homestead, guys. I think this is day 23? Is it day 23? I think it's day 23. But we are having a lot, and I mean a lot of rain this week. And we're approaching 1 month. I think we're a couple of days away from 1 month. It's 23. We got the place the 9th. Today is the 2nd. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're like 7 days. 7 days away. I better back up. We are 7 days away. So, are you just gonna pee right there? That was a lot of pee, dude. Better back up from that fence. But look at the pigs. This is actually their second week? This is their second week here. Second week, yeah. If it's our third, it's their second week here. And they have gone through a bag. Well, not one. They've gone through almost a bag of feed already. So we got to go to Tractor Supply today and get these girls some more food. Let me turn this fence off, because it doesn't look like we're going to be able to do much today. It is so freaking wet. I mean, so freaking wet. And it rained. Dang, spiderweb. And it rained again yesterday. And it's raining or sprinkling right now. So we're gonna see what we can get done. It might just be a Tractor Supply run again, and hopefully they don't have any chickens. I know I have to go to Tractor Supply to get the rest of the stuff to finish wiring up this fence that we created. And food. Fence and food, fence and food, fence and food. So what do we need to get? We need to get a clamp for the ground and probably a post hole banger. I think that's what it's called. What is it called? The thing that you put on top of the post and you just, yeah, that thing, round thing. If they got one. I might end up having to get that, the other tool for cutting. And I'm debating whether I should make these pigs a makeshift house out of logs. How long do y'all think that'll last if I make it out of logs? And I actually, when I dig the post, I might put the foam stuff in there, because that's a lot easier than mixing the concrete. If I make it out of wood. Maybe we should research which would last the longest. Does anybody know? Put that down in the comments. Which trees last the longest? We have got the pigs 2 big old barrels of water off of rain, because we don't have a water system yet. We do not have a water system yet. We filled the RV up with water when we left the campground. So that's why yesterday you see me go get the IBC totes, because we're going to make us a rain catching system. And then you seen us get the 2 barrels, and we're probably gonna those are for the pigs, but I'm probably gonna make a rain catching system for that too as well. And then we got this, and we're gonna fill it up with water. Somebody supposed to be coming to deliver water for us, so he'll fill that up and the 2 IBC totes up for us, and bam, we'll have water. I need to go fill this generator up with gas.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it.
Well, we are back at Tractor Supply, and this ain't good because the light is on. They got ducks. These ducks look different than the ones we got. Oh God, we do gotta get you a duck though. Here, there's your duck. She's got an animal for every one we got. Easter egger. Jesus Christ, why don't they have this dog food in a small bag? They only have it in the big bag.
It's big.
I know it's huge. We don't. I mean, they're going to eat it, but dang. So they have an Easter egger.
What's an Easter egg?
It's the Easter egger. And I think I want some of those light.
What is it?
And maybe a couple of the black Jersey Giants. What do you think?
Yeah. Don't they turn giant?
My flock gonna be better than Amber flock.
I like Jersey.
Amber, I'm coming for you. And they got like these all black ducks over here too. I kind of like the ducks.
All black ducks?
You see an all black duck over there?
There.
Sorry, baby, I didn't mean to clothesline.
And 5 of them Easter eggers. What do you think, Lala? They have meat birds, and I'm so tempted. But I'm not gonna do it. We're not gonna put ourselves through the meat yet. We ain't ready for that. We just got 12 more chickens, y'all. Well, we did it again, Tractor Supply. So, as you guys know, if you've been following us on Facebook, it's usually where we post the most stuff. We do post on YouTube a lot. Stop, Ava. Be nice. But we now have 20 chicks.
20-something.
22. We got 22 chicks, and we got 4 ducks. So
Together.
we're about to build them a chicken brooder right here, right now.
Chicken?
Out of free pallets that I got from off of Facebook Marketplace, and some trees from out of the woods that we chopped down. We're not buying no lumber. We're not buying no lumber, not right now. So we're gonna find some trees in these piles and a chainsaw, and let's get to work, guys. Let's do this. Apparently, just when you feel like you're about to do something, the rain kicks in again. So here we go. We're trying to get it all organized underneath the awning, and the rain started kicking in. Now all of our stuff is out there. It gets more wet. Oh man, the only thing this rain is good for right now is catching water. And I'm barely doing that right now, because I don't really have it fully set up for that. I was just doing it because we had just got the barrel, and I seen how fast that water was coming off of that thing, and I said, oh, well, I'm catching that.
Daddy, start watching
I know. I can't even complain though, cause last week it was so hot, man. I mean hot. I mean crazy hot. So I can't even complain. But I am actually trying to get something done. So, jeez Louise, just give me a little break. That's all I need. Pokemon ball. Gotta catch them all. But anyways, we have a couple of logs that I have already pulled out. I forgot what I was gonna do with these. Oh, we was gonna make something for the pigs, but we're gonna make a we're about to make a brooder box with the pallets and a couple of these sticks. That's what we're about to do, so they can have more room.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head. We'll get to the promised land. Somebody loves you, please don't forget such. Take your time, no need to feel rushed. We gon' shine somehow one day. Word to O'Shea, today's been a good day. Don't let one bad apple spoil the tree. The fruits of our labor seem ripe, can't you see? A little insight so they'll never dim your light. Been wrong for too long, this here feels so right. Leave your fears in the rear view, right now on the mission. Tryna stay the course on this road to redemption. Giving up seems tempting, but no need, cause I got you and you got me. A little UNITY will get us by. Through the storm and the rain, I'll be by your side. Look alive, the best has yet to come. Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be
46.51.
just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promise, yeah. And it may seem like things ain't working out, but I know we gon' find a way without a doubt. Just hold on a little longer, you gon' see this through. I've been there, and certain things always remain true.
Well, we got the box built out of sticks and a pallet. Let's put the wire up now. Oh my gracious, it's about to rain again, dude. Just let me finish this box, please. All right, let's get this wire on.
Skeezy on the beat,
And just like that, it started raining again. We couldn't even get this thing finished. Jesus, please. Well, we got Lala back there in the background right now. She is getting it all zip tied up, and then she is cutting the zip ties off. So that's what we got right now. We gotta finish this one side right here, and then we'll be done for the walls. I might go back and add some boards down here so they can't get underneath over here on both sides. I mean, on all four sides. But I can't do much in the rain. I can cut some logs out and put on all four sides.
We're gonna do the best we can.
She said we're doing the best we can
While it's raining.
while it's raining.
Skeezy on the beat,
So I got an extra tarp, and if the rain starts getting too crazy, I'll just take that extra tarp and throw over top of them. But we also got the heat lamp too, so I'll put that in there.
There's one. Got one. Yeah, we did.
There they go. That's the flock, y'all. Well, despite the rain, we finished. And our makeshift block out of pallet and wood. Check us out, guys. So it has a lid, a pallet on top. And then we zip tied it. Got my heat lamp in there, which I don't got on right now. Got the birdies in there. Then I got a tarp. In case it rains, which we've been getting a lot of. So this should keep them all right. Keep them for here for now.
Skeezy on the beat,